Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our book that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Publications. Hello everyone. Let's begin with the chapter number 12 and that is our body. You know our body is made up of various kinds of organs, internal as well as external organs. So today we are going to study some of the organs of our body in this chapter. So let's begin with it. The human body is made up of various internal and external organs. I think that you must be knowing what are internal organs and external organs. Internal organs are organs which are found inside the body, and the organs that are found outside the body are known as external organs. These organs are essential for carrying out important functions. Now, what are organs responsible for? They carry out the various body functions and hence help us to live and survive. We have to recognize the following organs, internal organs of the human being given in the picture, of a human body given in the picture, and then we have to name them. So let's now begin with the first organ. What is this organ of? This is actually an internal organ which is found inside our skull, and this is the human brain. Then we have the second organ, a very important organ responsible for pumping blood, and this is our heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Then we have the third organ of our body, another very important organ of our body, and it is our kidneys. They are responsible for throwing out the wastewater out of the body. Now 1, 2 and 3 we have done. Let's now move to the other pictures also. Let's see the fourth picture, and the fourth picture is of liver. Liver is responsible for absorption of fats. Next picture, that is the fifth picture, is of our lungs. They help in breathing. And the last picture, that is the sixth picture, of our stomach. This is the place where our food goes through the food pipe, and it is responsible for digestion of our food. So this was all about the body chapter. Let's have the quick fact. The human body contains nearly 100 trillion cells. Our body is made up of cells and the quantity is 100 trillion. The average adult human is approximately 60% water by weight. So our weight is actually what? 60% water. Our adult human consists of an average of 60% water by weight. So this was the quick fact for the body chapter. This is all about. Then we do the your answer please. There is a question given that says, what is the function of stomach in your body? One function I have already told you. You can go through your books, go through the Google to find out the answer for the same, and then you will write the answer over here. So this was all about the chapter. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.